Welcome! Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to turn on support request notifications on Instagram, keeping you informed whenever there's an update or message from Instagram's support team. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines icon, often called the hamburger menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a list of options where you can customize your Instagram experience. Scroll down until you find the Notifications option and tap on it. Next, tap on From Instagram. This section controls notifications that come directly from Instagram itself, including updates, reminders, and support messages. Now, look for the Support Requests category. This is where you can manage notifications related to any support inquiries you've made or messages from Instagram's support team. Simply select On to enable these notifications. And that's it. By turning on support request notifications, you'll be instantly alerted whenever Instagram sends you important updates or responses to your support requests. This feature helps you stay on top of any issues or questions you've raised, making it easier to manage your account and resolve problems quickly. Remember, keeping these notifications enabled ensures you don't miss any critical communications from Instagram, especially if you rely on the platform for business or community engagement. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Instagram tips and updates. See you next time.